Nelson Pereira from bnetTV. Welcome to the Mobile World Congress 2013 in Barcelona. And with us is Yoram from SanDisk. How you doing, sir?
Good, very good.
Yoram, can you talk to us about your company and what role they play in the ecosystem?
So SanDisk is a leader provider of flash storage. We are providing flash in very different manners. We are famous for our retail products, for SD cards, which we actually created, SSDs, and also flash that goes into embedded devices in consumer electronics and mobile.
Obviously, SanDisk is pretty much a household name. You guys pretty much been in the industry for quite some time, I might say. And everything from storage to even the cameras that my wife uses are being used with your product. I think the SLR market couldn't be it without companies such as yours. And having said that, what brings us to this to this conference here right now is the wireless industry. And for a lot of our viewers out there, they want to know pretty much how many years have you been in this business? And so what is your coverage? Especially if I'm a new viewer and I'm looking to do business with you, how can I reach out to you?
So SanDisk has been around for 25 years, so we're actually celebrating now in this show 25 years of innovation. Throughout these 25 years, we've been really leading the market in innovating and inventing the different storage medias. We've been the first to come with SD cards and actually created and invented it. We were creating the USB flash drives. We've been playing a very significant role and creating the first 2 bits per cell flash, which is now used in mobile phones and different memory cards. So we've been very active in this area for many years. Now here in this show, clearly we are very much focusing on the mobile world, and we are actually showing a lot of our products that enables the smartphone business and the tablet side of the business.
And what is new in terms of SanDisk, especially now in Barcelona in the 2013 MWC?
So clearly we're seeing the smartphones moving very fast to be very high-end smartphones on one hand, and providing a lot of features that didn't exist in phones before that. One of the major features of smartphones is the camera, and being in SanDisk and being part of the imaging side of this business, we're actually bringing a lot of our products now into the smartphones and enabling the camera and the imaging side in the smartphone. So we're showing here a lot of capabilities, and our professional photographers are actually using standard memory and standard phones to capture high quality photos. And a lot of that is actually enabled by the storage that we put in the smartphones, whether it's an embedded or in cards. The other thing that we're showing is how the storage is enabling the user experience of the smartphone. So we've been announcing here the kind of cooperations that we're making with NVIDIA. NVIDIA is one of the leaders in the processing, and specifically for tablets and to some smartphones. And what we're showing here are the combination of the high-speed storage devices together with NVIDIA high-speed processing power and graphic capabilities are enabling state-of-the-art user experience for tablets.
I always say that in the wireless industry, not just the infrastructure for wireless communication plays a role, but at the end of the day, both the mobile phone, the tablets themselves, the storage behind them, and which pretty much enriches the user experience, is one of the key components. Because if that part of the ecosystem was not in place, the experience will be totally different what we see today.
Well, I definitely agree with you, and we are seeing mobile phones actually being characterized by how much storage they have inside. Right. And we are looking at the micro SD cards that fit into the mobile phones, and we are looking at flash that goes along also beyond that on the wireless system into the clouds. So the flash storage in the different form factors of SSDs in the computing side, SSDs which go to the enterprise world in the cloud storage, cards that goes into the cameras or the phones, and the embedded storage are all around us, and sometimes we use them without even knowing that.
Well, Yoram, let me just finalize our conversation today by saying real briefly, what is the future of storage in terms of the wireless industry?
So on the consumer side, we look at embedded storage as one of the, in the mobile business, as one of our major growing factors. Clearly, tablets are just starting and delivering much even significant more storage into the consumer. We are looking at the SD cards bringing faster and in a better high capacity storage. So I would say in between the different growing markets of computing, mobile, smartphones, tablets, and cloud computing, we are a very key strategic player there, and we're seeing storage coming all around us in these form factors.
Well, Yoram, thanks so much for spending time with us. And as I said before, the experience of the wireless industry would not be where it is without companies such as SanDisk. And I appreciate your time.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
And this is Nelson Pereira from bnetTV at the Mobile World Congress 2013 in Barcelona.